Next, we are defining collision frequency. Collision frequency is defined as number of collisions between gas molecules per second per unit volume. Z is equal to half of sigma into pi square into n square into V, where Z is collision frequency, sigma is collision diameter, and V is average velocity. Z is equal to half of number of collisions into total number of molecules. Z is directly proportional to P square. Z is directly proportional to T raised to the power 3 by 2, where P and T are pressure and temperature respectively. Let's take up difference between real gas and ideal gas. Ideal gas obeys gas laws under all conditions of pressure and temperature. Real gases obeys gas laws only at low temperature and high pressure. Ideal gas obeys ideal gas equation, whereas real gas obeys van der Waals gas equation at high temperature. In ideal gas, intermolecular interactions between gaseous molecules are negligible. In real gases, intermolecular interaction between gaseous molecules are not negligible. In ideal gases, volume of particles, the molecules or atoms is negligible as compared to total volume of the gas. In real gases, volume of particles is not negligible as compared to total volume of the gas. Ideal gases in real are not possible, that they are hypothetical. None of the gas is perfectly ideal, but hydrogen and helium are nearly ideal gases, whereas all gases are real in nature. Explanation of the deviation from ideal gas. Kinetic theory of gases do not hold good at all conditions due to these two assumptions. The force of attraction between gaseous molecules are negligible. Second, the volume occupied by gaseous molecule is negligible compared to total volume of the gas at high pressure. Both the assumptions do not hold good at all temperature and pressure. Hence, real gases deviate from ideal gas behavior. Next, we are going to take up specific heat of the gases. It is the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of substance through 1 degree centigrade. It is usually expressed in calories. Calorie is defined as the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree centigrade. More accurately, from 15.5 degrees centigrade to 16.5 degrees centigrade. The heat used in increasing the internal energy of the molecules by raising the temperature, that is by raising the average kinetic energy of the molecules per degree centigrade or Celsius. Specific heat of the gas at constant volume. The amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of gas by 1 degree centigrade when volume is kept constant and pressure is allowed to increase is called molar specific heat at constant volume or specific heat at constant volume. Specific heat of gas at constant pressure, the amount of heat required to raise the temperature of 1 gram of the gas by 1 degree centigrade when the pressure is kept constant and volume is allowed to increase. This is specific heat of gas at constant pressure. Now, if you want to calculate the molar specific heat, this specific heat is to be multiplied by molar mass. We will get molar specific heat and they are denoted by Cp and Cv at constant pressure and constant volume respectively, where Cv and Cp are molar specific heat or heat capacity per mole at constant volume and constant pressure, and Cp minus Cv is equal to R. The ratio of molar heat capacities for monoatomic gas Cp over Cv is equal to gamma. Cp is 5 by 2R, Cv is 3 by 2R. It will come out to be 5 by 3, that is 1.66. So whenever gamma is 1.66, it will be monoatomic gas. Or for all monoatomic gases, gamma will be equal to 1.66. For diatomic gases, Cp over Cv will be equal to 5 plus x or 3 plus x. In case of diatomic molecules, x is equal to, most of the cases is equal to 2. So it will Cp over Cv will come out to be 7 by 5, which is equal to 1.4. So for diatomic gases, Cp over Cv is equal to 1.4. Or if Cp over Cv is 1.4, the gas will be diatomic. For triatomic gas, Cp over Cv will be equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 3 plus 3, that is 8 by 6, which comes out to be 1.33. Now we are going to take up van der Waals equation, a modification in real gas equation. It is also called real gas equation. According to the van der Waal, Maxwell has made to wrong assumption in his kinetic theory of gases, which led to wrong results. The force of attraction between gaseous molecules are negligible under all conditions, and the volume occupied by gas molecule is negligible as compared to total volume of the gas. So we have to make pressure correction, which is equal to P is equal to P plus A over V square. A is van der Waals gas constant depending upon intermolecular force of attraction. So van der Waals gas equation for real gases is P plus A n over V square into V minus NB is equal to nRT. For n is equal to 1 mole, the equation will become P plus A over V square into V minus B is equal to RT. In critical conditions, we have Pc is equal to A over Vc whole square into Vc minus B is equal to R into Tc. Pc is critical pressure, Vc is critical volume, and Tc is critical temperature, which we will discuss. Volume correction, the observed volume is greater than the ideal volume, and correction term NB has to be subtracted from the observed volume in order to get ideal volume. So ideal volume is equal to V minus NB, where N is number of moles of real gases and B is constant, which depends upon nature of the gas. Its unit is liter per mole. Limitations of van der Waals gas equation. It could not explain quantitative aspect of deviation so satisfactorily as it could explain the qualitative aspect of deviations. The values of A and B were also found to vary with pressure and temperature. The numerical values of Vc was not equal to 3b as derived by van der Waals equation. The numerical value of R over Tc divided by Pc over Vc was not found to be 8 by 3 as derived by van der Waals equation.